Hey, let's talk about snow driving tonight. I'm an instructor, both hands on the wheel, GoPro. You want to stay smooth when you drive. You don't want to overturn the wheel. Typically, a lot of beginning drivers panic when they first get out into the snow. You can see the grooves in the road ahead of you. You always want to look ahead as far as you can and take your time and be patient. We have a full tank of gas. The windshield wipers are brand new. The tires are about 95% new. We got them a few weeks ago, so you just want to take your time and roll down very easily and smooth. The speed limit here is 55 miles an hour, but I'm at about 40 miles an hour. You don't want to drive over the speed limit or too far under. Most states and provinces have driving advisory warnings. You want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. You don't want to overturn or underturn the wheel. Forget about trying to see the lines because you won't be able to. If you turn the wheel really sharp, you're going to end up in the ditch. If you hit the brakes too hard, you'll end up losing control like that truck to the left. So you want to maintain good speed. You want to aim high and look ahead. So I'm really smooth right now, holding about 39 to 40 miles an hour. Even though the speed limit is 50, I'm checking my rear mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. Some of my students told me that driving at night is very peaceful because there's not a lot of traffic out here. You do have a little bit of anxiety. You can feel the car sliding a little bit. You're always thinking about, can I make it home? Will I be safe? If you have those negative thoughts, your negative thoughts will come to a reality. So you want to stay smooth. I'm looking ahead. I see a truck with four-way flashers on, so I'm wondering what's going on. So I'm just going to take my time and I'm going to go ahead and make a lane change to the right. So I lift my foot slightly off the gas. It's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And then I cancel it once I'm in the lane, taking my time. So I see this vehicle with the four-way flashers on. I don't know if they broke down. I don't know if they hit a deer. I'm not sure of what's going on. So I'm just taking my time, looking ahead, and being very careful because safety is no accident. So I'm just kind of looking at what they're doing. Looks like they ran out of gas. So you got to be aware. You always want to top off your gas before you get out here in the elements and just be safe. So I can feel the car sliding. You could hear it sliding too. So you don't want to overturn the wheel. I'm actually at about 30 miles an hour. So this tells me the road conditions are getting worse. You don't want to overturn the wheel. You just want to kind of guide it. It's almost 10 p.m. so I know the temperature's dropping. So it's going to be very hazardous out here. You have to dress for the weather conditions. Boots on, Timberlands, skinny jeans, hat, gloves. Have a high protein candy bar just in case you get stranded. Have a tow rope just in case you go into the ditch. Make sure your phone is charged. All of these things will help you be safe and manage the conditions out here. If you felt this brought you content, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to drive, I have a driving channel. It's called Driving with Myles. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.